Alright guys, so I have to go run some errands today, so I thought I'd film myself getting ready. So we're gonna do the makeup. Normally I don't wear makeup when I run errands, maybe like a little mascara and lip balm, and I'll put on some like workout clothes, but I've been doing that so much for the past 2 weeks, and today I was like, it's so nice outside, let me do my hair and my makeup, and let me just like put some cute outfit together just to feel good running errands. Sometimes we need that, you know. Most of the times I'll like literally run out the house looking crazy, but today is one of those days. I'm like, I want to feel good today. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my makeup for today. I did put some eye cream on because my eyes have been so bad. I feel like I just haven't been sleeping much. So I need some hydration under my eyes. And my dark bags, like my dark circles, have been super bad. But my mom and my grandma both have really dark circles, so it just runs in the family. So I actually received this product. I never heard of this brand before, but it's called Skin Proud. I love their products. I did like a face mask, and I really liked the face mask. This is a moisturizer. It's an everyday jelly moisturizer. I put this on at night the other day, like 3 days in a row, because my skin has been extremely dry. And when I tell you that my face was so hydrated the next morning, this stuff is great. I also really like the consistency of this, and even under makeup it looks pretty good. It doesn't look super oily or shiny. It just hydrates your skin, and my skin needs this right now. My hands have also been dry since I do bridal makeup. I spray my hands with alcohol. I use a lot of hand sanitizer. It just gets really messy, so my skin's been so dry. I'm putting this all over my hands as well. So I just let that settle in a little bit. I'm going to take my primer, and this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, which I believe I used in my last video. And I get a lot of my makeup from Ipsy. I feel like they just know when I need a certain product. I was running out of primer, and I just didn't even know what primer to buy. I forgot about this primer, and I used to really like how my makeup would sit on it, how it would make my skin look a little bit more blurred out. And lately I feel like my skin's been doing really good. I do always get redness on my face, but my skin has been doing really good. I've been using like different products and trying out different things to see what works. So for foundation, I'm taking the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. First time trying it, I got the small bottle just to see how it works, and I really like it. I actually bought it on Nordstrom website, and I didn't even know what shade I was. I kind of just like nailed it. So I got shade 6. I was in between 6 and 6.5, but obviously it's hard to tell on when you're ordering online, and I've never tried Armani's foundations before, so I kind of just had to wing it and see what happens. But it's a perfect match. It has the perfect yellow undertone, and I wanted to get the small one because I didn't want to get the full size and not like it. But I hear great things about this foundation, so I tried it out and I've been obsessed with it. And I feel like a little goes a long way with this foundation, and they have a variety of shades, which I love. I wanted something that looked pretty natural, but still somewhat coverage. I don't feel like I need too much coverage, but just like an even layer of foundation so my skin tone is even. And yeah, I've been really liking this foundation. I'm over like foundations that make your skin look very dry and cakey, and this gives you the perfect glow. Very easy to apply, very blendable. I can't believe I've never tried this foundation. I was hooked on Estee Lauder Double Wear for so long, but I find that it looks very drying on my skin, and it emphasizes my texture, even though I love that foundation because of the longevity and it doesn't transfer. If they were to come out with like a glow version of it or a hydrating version of it, I would totally try it out because it's a really good foundation. If I were to hydrate my skin really well, I think I would still use it. It's just that lately my skin has been hating anything. I just have to try things that just give me like that natural glow like this. I'm gonna take my One Size Beauty concealer, and obviously it's fall time now. My tan is absolutely fading, so I need to purchase another lighter concealer. That's why I'm using 2 today, because I feel like this is very close to my skin tone. And I'm going to take the Milani Longwear concealer because it's a lot lighter, and I'm just going to put that right in the middle so I can just brighten up underneath my eyes. And I just want to show you guys something super cute. Where's it? Oh, so Makeup Revolution sent over this package. I'm obsessed because I love Game of Thrones. Look at this. It's so cute. There's palettes in here and some of the collection of their Game of Thrones collab. Let me just show you guys really fast. I have to do another video for this, but just the overall kind of thing, what they came out with. Palettes, brushes, pigments, mascara, and lips. And my favorite part, the cutest part, is this throne. And you put your blender on there. Look how cute that is. Like, seriously, like how? And I've never tried their sponges before, and I really like this. Really like this sponge. Cover up those raccoon circles. I need to find a setup because I'm trying out this whole floor situation, and it's not good for my back. But the lighting is great because it's natural lighting. So I need to figure something out in this little corner over here, see what I can do. But so far, this is not bad because I honestly prefer natural lighting. I don't have to have like a whole big old setup with tons of lights, even though I love that. But there's no space for it, so gotta figure it out. Okay, so concealer's done really fast. I'm gonna take my Ciate setting powder, which has been my go-to setting powder, and just a little triangle sponge, and just set under the eyes. Put some on my lid, and then whatever's left on my sponge, I just kind of just pat it all over the place just to set my foundation so it lasts all day. And then with my brush that I use to contour or to bronze, I'm just gonna take away that powder. I don't know, I need to try new powder. I'm obsessed with this Ciate one, but I'd never tried the Huda Beauty powder, and it looks like it's really good, so I want to try it. Let me know if you guys have tried it. I'm also wearing my hair naturally right now. I had my hair extensions, which I'll put a video on how I install them soon. For my bronzer, I'm gonna take my, is that broken? My Benefit Hoola. And for blush, I'm taking my Benefit Dandelion. For the eyes, I'm gonna leave it how it is. I'm just gonna grab some more of that Hoola and just apply it to my crease. This has been my favorite blending brush since 10 years ago, and it's still one of my favorites. It's perfect if you don't want to do too much to the eyes, or if you don't even know how to do eyeshadow, because I feel like a lot of people don't. They'll just go in and do their face makeup. You don't need eyeshadow palettes. Just grab your bronzer and put it on your crease, and boom. This is the Game of Thrones liquid liner, and it's like supposed to be very matte and black, and it is called Raven Black, so inspired by Game of Thrones. Let's see what happens here. Okay, it's very black. Let's see if we can create a nice wing. Okay, that's very black. It hasn't dried yet, so let's wait a little bit. But so far, it's hard to do a wing with one hand. I think that's pretty good. What do you guys think? I think that's actually really good. I want to see how this dries. I don't know if it dries matte or not, but it's not like super shiny, which I don't like super shiny eyeliners anyways. So I really like this eyeliner, and it's just like so black. So I'm gonna pop on some lashes. I'm gonna do like a natural lash today. We're gonna do Kiss lashes. I think this is either 420 or 421, but I'll put it down below for you guys. And then I'm gonna take Kiss lash glue, the black one. I can't find my other Kiss lash glue, which I love, which is the one that's not a pen. It's somewhere here, but since we have eyeliner on and this is a black one, I'm just going to apply this. I don't like to glide this at all. I like to kind of just tap, because I don't want to mess up my eyeliner. I do this quickly because this glue dries up so fast. I don't think I've ever worn these before. Let me put some mascara on it. So I'm going to take the Game of Thrones mascara that they came out with, and I'm just going to put some on. But one thing about this glue, let me tell you, it's so hard for it to come off. I actually started buying makeup remover now for my eyes so all of the product comes off. So for brows, I always stick to my Benefit Foolproof brow powder. I think it's a great brow powder, and I have my brush that it comes with. It has the spoolie and then the angled side. I'm just gonna quickly fill these in. I'm having a very serious love-hate relationship with my brows. Like, some days they look so good, and then other days I'm just like, what's happening? So today's other days, they look okay. I like them a certain way, and it's just not working. It's not working. I'm just gonna leave it like that. And I have this hair that's sticking out. It's very hard to do this on the floor, but honestly, I remember back in the days when I started to do my makeup, the floor and like that wall mirror, like that long length wall mirror, oh, there it goes. Those are the days. So it's bringing back a lot of memories of when I started to do my makeup, and the floor was the spot to do it at, because there was no vanities. Well, there was, but I just didn't have one, or benches or whatever they have now. But this works. The lighting is great. I really like that. I'm gonna take this hydrating spray for your face, and it has green tea and it has rose hip oil. So let me put this back on. I don't know if this is supposed to make your makeup last or not. I don't think it says that, but it just feels amazing. This is something to carry in your purse. I don't know, it just hydrates you, especially right now in this cold weather. And in Maryland, it went from summer to winter. I'm just kidding, it's fall time. The leaves are beautiful. It's sweater weather. And let me put my sponge back on its throat. But yeah, guys, this is the makeup. Let me get dressed really fast just to show you guys what I'm. So my outfit's just pretty basic. I'm gonna wear this really long cardigan, and I'm gonna take a basic black crop top and these jeans, which I'll show you guys the bottom in a second. This bag from Amazon, I've been obsessed with this bag. This bag has literally been like my everyday bag. It's from Amazon. It's Aldo brand, but it's a crossbody. It looks cute. It lasts forever, and I don't even treat it right. It goes with every single outfit that I have, and sometimes I wear gold, sometimes I wear silver, and this bag just goes with anything that you wear. Obviously, I don't treat it right. It's still in pretty good condition. Yes, maybe some of like the matte black came off here, but I'm like the worst. I don't know why I don't treat it right. This is such a great bag. I just love like the matte black hardware. It's a pretty good size. It fits so much, but it goes with everything. I love black bags. Now I'm going to take my Converse, my platform Converse. I'm a size 6, and I'm normally a size 6. And then these are the shades of the day, because my earrings are gold, so I'm wearing gold today. And these glasses have a gold detailing. Super cute. Wore my hair straight. Okay, mom vibes. Probably roll these up a little. But let me show you guys my whole outfit. It's just cozy. But yes, this bag, love this bag. I'll put a link to it down below. I think they still have it on Amazon. So we're gonna see if they do, because if they do and you love black purses, you need to get this. It's a little bit more on the pricier side for being Amazon, but guys, totally worth it. Very skeptical at first. I was like, I don't know if I want to do it. Got it. It's my favorite bag. I have so many bags, but this is my favorite bag. So this is more like ideal. So I have the cardigan, my bag, my shirts. These are the jeans. I forget where they're from. I think they're from Pretty Little Thing. I'm not sure, but the shoes. I love platform anything all year round, but I just love how they look with these jeans. And that's pretty much the whole outfit. It's just cozy, on the go. We gotta go run errands right now vibes. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.